How's it going, guys, and welcome back to another RC in motion video. Today we're gonna be simple. We're gonna do it simple. We're just going to swap out this transmission here. As you can see, it's held up by a few screws, but I'm gonna show you an easy way to just take it out with motor and all. We're gonna swap it out for the one we've already maintenance. Since we have two, we're just gonna go ahead and just swap out those spur gears. Let's start it out by taking out these two screws and start flipping this motor out. Just watch how easy this process really is. Another part we're going to swap out here are going to be the transmission mounts that go mounted onto the chassis, from the old one to the new one. Once we take off the nut and spring assembly off the spur gear, we're going to have to remove this motor plate in order to get the spur gear out. Now this is a 64 tooth 32 pitch spur gear that was a little worn out for my liking, so we're gonna go ahead and swap it with a brand spanking new one and brand new spring as well. And here is the assembly inside, and we should be just tightening it up and getting it ready for the truck. And there we have it. There was nothing much to it. We already did the maintenance. You guys saw the video on that. And we are ready for disassembly of the chassis. I hope you guys are enjoying this maintenance series. If you guys enjoy it, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.